All throughout my college application process, I was set on trying to be in as little debt as possible.
When you have student loan debt, you're always stressing about it. It's always there. It's always weighing you down financially.
It can be exhausting and make you feel as if you don't deserve the things that you've worked so hard for.
In a world where students are less reliant on loans, you're going to have more people who are passionate about what they do ultimately.
Which I think is important for Brown students because Brown students are the most passionate people I've ever met.
I think we would be able to do things that we really want to do and not have to worry about the financial consequences of that.
It will create more great artists, more great computer scientists, more great people in general, just by opening the door for them rather than tying them to the frame they just walked out of.
If I didn't have loans, I would feel like I could fly. Damn, a world without loans. Wow.